going to be taking apart a power bank. This is Model Y power bank, capacity 3.7 volts or 60,000 mAh. Input is 5 volts dash 2 amp max. Do not crush, puncture, incinerate, or short external contact. So let's see what's in it. So these used to be all over. I guess they still are. I used one for a while. I haven't used one in a long time though. But they have USB charging ports on each side. This one does. Has a power indicator. When it worked, you push this button and these would light up, telling you how much you have left. About 25%, 50, 75, or totally full. And then this one is the one that you plug your phone into. And you could typically get 1 to 2 charges out of one of these. So let's crack this thing open and see what's in it. I have a feeling it's just a big old battery. But let's see. What? That's kind of disappointing. I'm gonna hold that up so you can hopefully see in there. It's pretty much empty. All that's in there is a battery at one side. Huh. Well, let's get this all the way open and see exactly what's going on in there. That's interesting. I thought there would be a lot more in this. Break out the big one here. Is that battery pack glued in there? I think it might be. It is. Well, oh yeah, it just got big old huge globs of that. Whatever type of glue they use. Let's see if I can pry this out of here without totally mashing it and getting acid everywhere. I think it's starting to work. Maybe, sort of. So that little battery pack is not coming out of there. It is completely glued in. Hopefully you can see in there with all types of epoxy and junk. So there's no getting that out. But that's all that's in there. This whole big case is hollow, except a little battery pack in there. I'm surprised. I wonder why they didn't make it smaller. But that's why a lot of the newer ones are smaller, I believe. Let's look in here, see if there's anything in this. All it is a little low-grade PC board, it looks like. Injection molded piece of plastic, injection molded piece of plastic, a little bit of low-grade board, and 2 USB ports, along with the cell phone port. And that's it. All right, guys, as always, if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, let me know. And if you have ideas for future videos, as always, let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.